In this video, I share with you the first setup process of the YouTube to social media automation. It allows you to turn any YouTube video, you just paste in the link here, and then it will get the transcript automatically, even the thumbnail, and give you a few information about the video. And then you can click here on generate, and then it will turn those videos into 3 different post styles based on these templates. So it will analyze the key points of this video and turn it into a post, the key facts and the summary of the video. So you have 3 posts generated from 1 social media video. And you can even expand it to turn 1 YouTube video into 4, 5, 6, 7 or more different types of posts. And I have a specific tutorial that you can watch that where I show you how to expand this. But first, let's set up this version, which allows you to turn 1 YouTube video into these 3 different posts. So this is the first automation that we also need for this and to connect to this Google Sheet. And then also the second part of the automation is called the publisher. So this generates the post and this publishes the post. And I will show you in the next 3 videos 1 setup of each. So first we will set up the Google Sheet, then we set up the generator automation, and then we set up the publisher. And below each video you will find the template to use. So let's start with the Google Sheet. The first you do is you click make a copy. Below in the video you will find the template to this Google Sheet, and then this is very easy to set up. You only need to wait a little bit until this custom menu is loading, and there you then click on install. This can take a few seconds. You see it's called custom actions. Here first you click on authorize. Then you need to complete an authorization process. So you need to select your Google account, and you give it permission that this automation can perform certain functions on it. I'm not going to show you this because it contains some sensitive information, so I will just resume the video after I've completed this, but basically you just click OK and confirm and complete all the steps. And once this is done, next we need to click on install triggers, and then the first functionality of the Google Sheet is set up. Now we need to go into the app script. We need to add an API key. So let's go on app script, and then we need to replace 2 API keys. First, it's the rapid API key from the YouTube Summarizer API service. To get this API key, I'm not going to show you in this video because I already have the tutorials that show you exactly where to get this. You go to get API key for YouTube transcript API. You watch this video, it's just 30 seconds long, and then you get the API key, and then you replace it. So here you place this API key. Once you've done that, you click on save, and then there's another API key you need to get, which is the YouTube API key. And I also have a tutorial for you. You get YouTube API from Google Cloud Console. You find it other technical tutorials. Watch this video. I will show you exactly where to get your API key from YouTube, and then you paste it in there. And then you need to do this again for this function channel subscriber count. We also put the same Google YouTube API key here that we just added. And then let's click save. And that's it for now. The rest will be set up in the other videos. There are still a few things we need to add, but this only makes sense once we have set up the automation. Then we connect it to our Google Sheet. So now we can already do a test run. So I will just go to YouTube. I pick this video, for example, the link address of this video, and now I will test if my sheet the first, is correctly set up. So once I place it here, it should get the title, it should get the thumbnail, it should get the transcript. And you see, it has worked. Here I click on allow access. So it gets the title from the YouTube video, the thumbnail URL. And now the next step is to set up the other process, basically to turn this YouTube video, the transcript here, into our 3 posts, which we'll set up in the next video.